Hello, this is Kimberly from CNC Glass Interlayer technology. Thermal cutter is used for trimming interlayer, remains of heated laminated glass. Thermal cutter is also named as heating cutter and hot knife. The CNC thermal cutter is designed for cleaning edges of laminated glass. There are 4 models of blades available to suit different jobs and shapes of cut. And there are 4 models of blades for blue thermal cutter. The most popular blade is model 11.1. With short obtuse angled cutting edges, both sides are ground. The second popular blade is model 14.1. With about 35 million long pointed blade flanges, ground both sides. The third popular blade is model 4.1. Spade shaped to be held vertically. The fourth popular blade is model 3.1. And you may order the blades separately at any quantity you need. You may order blades only without thermal cutter. And if you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect our answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a nice day.